Okay, yesterday there's a video of Nkere and their group in Finland at Finland embassy in US saying that they are protesting about the release of Mazen Morgan and PM, of course. And people have made a kind of, there's a mixed reaction to that. Some people say that it's good thing, some say that it's just a waste of time. I myself have made a reaction on that. I have told us my feelings towards the protest, and we highlighted we emphasized more on the number of the people that were there, people who joined the Nkere to protest, and Elias' presence, and how Elias hold the placards and all that. We have talked about it on our platform. So, but now another video surfaced of Nkere talking to their friends in that place. All right, so these are things I want us to note. And we're going to talk about it just in this video. It's not going to be a long one, just a reaction, and for you to see what Nkere said, for you to hear what Nkere said, and see how he said it though, and the France, the number of people that he talked to, and all that. So before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we are gonna stream live today here on this platform, and we are gonna bring to you the question and answer program of Mas Namodekano. That will come later. We have scheduled that to take place after this, but this video will be on before then. So probably maybe around maybe noon in Biafran land. So because now it's too early, to be honest, in Biafran land. This is 6 a.m. All right, this is after 6 in the morning, and around 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It was 11, 10 to 11 Biafran time. We will make sure that we'll bring to you question and answer program of Mas Namodekano. Hopefully we'll bring it earlier before that time, but let's see how far we can go on that. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I would like to read your comment on this particular video because I want to know your own reaction towards the whole thing that Nkere and their camp are doing. Like this guy you are seeing on screen now, he's one of them. Many of them on the not too many, but strange faces of Biafrans in US that are actually throwing their support somehow to Nkere. I wonder what is giving them the strength to do that. Does it mean that they are as bad or they are as criminal as Nkere? Because how can you see all the things that Nkere have done and his tension and everything, and you still believe that he is the right person to follow? And what exactly do you think about, or what is the offense of a USB government to you? Yes, it's not you must not support because it's Nkere or because it's US. The choice is just though. But I would like you to know the plans of Nkere and what they have done through Imam Madabo and CRC. That in alone is condemnable and is a criminal act, and there's no way you can harbor criminal activities like that to achieve freedom. Many of you follow Nkere because of the one that he's sending to you. Some of, not all of you, I say many. So to you, I'm not saying that you that listen to me, maybe you are part of Nkere and you have not received anything from Nkere. Yes, I can relate. I understand that not everybody is on his payroll, but some of you that are on his payroll are the one convincing those who are incapable of reasoning or thinking for themselves, and you push your idea to them, and they're actually hacking to that and start acting like Bonu. So please make sure you're able to define what you want. I can tell you, people that are here, they are not up to 15. I'm so kind to even mention since 15. Okay, we can actually capture the number if you don't mind. Let's try. This is let me take it back a little bit. Okay, let me take it back a little bit. Now let's see how we can capture it, because I want to prove to you that when I say that people that went there are just few, even though Nkere himself confirmed it on this video, but the audio is not audible enough. It's just, so you have to listen very closely so you'll be able to hear what he said. And like I said, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I think we're counting on them. Try to count the number of people here will be a waste of time, to be honest. I don't know how we can do that. Don't get number one. And let it just go a little bit, shift the cameraman shift a little bit. Then we'll see if you can capture the people at his left hand side, and from there we can count it. But I don't think it is necessary because the video is not too long. Because if it's up to 10 minutes video, at least you'll be assured that no how at some point the cameraman will turn and trying to look left, right, and center so you can be able to capture anybody that is in that position. But here is not as as even if I come from left hand side now, to count the right hand side may be difficult. But all I can tell you is that even judging by the video of yesterday, you can tell that people that went there are just few. They are not up to 10. They are not up to 10. I'm talking about those on camera. Unless if there's some people who don't want to appear in the camera, which I doubt, because Nkere himself said it here that that he thanked some of them that all of them that went there. Okay, now 1, 2. Let's see. I drag it back a little more. Like I said, trying to cut all this is going to be a difficult thing. It's going to be a difficult thing because the video is too small, very, very small. Okay, let us just forget about it. Let us hear, maybe at the cost of playing it, you may have time to do that. You can see here, from here, you can see 3 people only. Now, you can see 3 people from here. Then you can see 5, 6, 5, 6, then again, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So from my own side here, I can count 12 people only. Okay, let's hear from Ogen. That from Rick.
Make sure that they are trying to prevent us from becoming. We must make sure that we are free as a free people. When we walk up to deliver the letter, just because of what is going on, the officer is supposed to see something that he figure out is being recorded, so of course. So we believe everything that is happening is political motivated. Yes. It's not because our Prime Minister commits any crime. Finland once upon a time they fought for their freedom to be free from Russia. This great country which we all hear about and some of us are citizens of, United States of America, is to regain their sovereignty or regain United States 1776. So freedom, our right, is every God, human being right. So we must keep fighting, whether we are few or many. And remember the saying that goes that it takes few to do what? Liberate many. And that's why for those that are Christian, they are familiar with narrow leads to what? Salvation, wide broad lead to destruction. So the number here today, we're so grateful we're able to pull up this number of people, and those that are not able to be here, I believe that they are grateful that we represent them. You're always going to have somebody who will represent you. And this great country, United States of America, we've been in touch with Congress. So every day we do receive positive news from Capitol Hill. Of course, we have our lobbies, one or two things. So we are grateful that we are moving forward, and we are not going to retreat. No retreat.
No going back. Always forward.
Man that just left. You know what is going on. On it as well. So when we walk to the officer earlier on, so he says something that the embassy is closed. But go to the website or Google it, they are open. Just because they know we are coming to protest. Just because they know that we are coming here to ask for our freedom. Because holding Mazi, our Prime Minister Simon, is to deprive us from being free. So at the end, no matter whatever they do, we must definitely be free. So no man or woman born of a woman can stop it. Our leader once said it. And I believe each and every one of us is our right to be free. It's our right to fight for our freedom. We cannot fight and leave this fight for another day.
Sure.
I believe most of us here have kids. So just imagine if you decide to fight and leave the fight for another day. That means you want your children to stand.
Yeah, we have all seen it. What is happening?
And that will never happen. So
it can never happen.
We must fight and we must get our freedom. It doesn't matter anyhow. But as far as the Nigerian state, we saw what happened 2 days ago. United States of America warned our citizens to do what? Stop traveling to where? They named kidnapping. They named the unrest. If United States of America, of all people, can know what is going on in that contractual shithole, what about you and I? If they can tell you your story, your history, what about you?
Our people are living in
remember
denial.
that the
That's
same
right.
United States of America intelligence agency, they made it clear as well that in the year 2030, what we have.
So that is okay, Nkere, for you. And honestly, I'm not against the protest, not at all. I said it before. The protest is good, but the problem I have is the number of people that went there, and that is, if you ask me, Nkere is a cause. He is the reason why people are not trooping out to protest, because the way he forces himself is uncalled for. Anyway, my people, I would like to know your own take on this. Make sure you put a comment. Let's hear from you. Do you agree or disagree? Are you in support of the protest or not? To me, I love it when people protest for PM release, but let it be for PM release, not political motivated protest. I don't like it. Like, you want to protest to show the friend that you are the one doing something for PM, and so for you to bring people on your side. That is where I have issue with it. But if the protest is genuinely planned, good. And he needs to also learn how to reconcile with Biafrans. Let him take a position, go back and make peace with the Biafrans, so that a protest like this, people will come out in mass with one mind, one plan, one agenda. Not all this cut and join leadership that he's piloting. It's not going to help anybody. Thank you so much for your time, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to read your comments. God bless you.